Hello, my name's Gilbert Brandt, and this video is titled Best Luxury Yacht Rental Chicago. Now, when we start here, when you Google this, you'll see that this is the Google 3-pack. And if you click on this Google 3-pack, you'll see every place that's listed in the city of Chicago. For every page they have, there's 20 places right here. Now, I've counted this, and if you go to number 2, there's actually 35 or 36 people on the best luxury yacht one. So now, if you want your business to show up on this best luxury lots in this Google 3-pack, I can put your business there, or I can put your business on the front page of here. If you go to the video channel, right here, your business, if you're in Chicago, I can put your business on the front page of YouTube for anything in the yacht business, and I can put your business on the front page of that Google 3-pack. And the guarantee is you don't have to pay me until I get you on the front page of Google or on the front page of the Google 3-pack. So you're not taking any chances. Let me give you an example of some of the work I've did for previous clients and for me. If you Google wine video business marketing expert, you'll notice it's got 19 million searches. That's something pretty high to rank for. You look here, here's my video, number 1. Number 2, Gary Vaynerchuk, one of the foremost marketing guys, definitely in the wine business, and still probably in the top 5 or 10 worldwide for a marketing guru. This guy took a $3 million business in 1 year that his dad owned and turned it into 20-some million dollars in a little over a year. Wrote books. Last I knew, it cost like minimum of $50,000 to $100,000 to get him to even come and speak. Now, let's see. I outrank him on the front page of Google. And look at this. I outrank Gary Vaynerchuk on the front page of YouTube. Here's my wine. It's a 54-second video. There's Gary Vaynerchuk. There's an article. Your business on the front page of the Google 3-pack. Wow, I rank for that too. Every Gary Vaynerchuk, Gary V again there. I don't know this guy right here. I don't know this guy here, but Dan Locke, he's pretty famous in the marketing world too. To outrank these guys, all these guys are rich and famous. Now, if you want your business on the front page, now let me show you something else. If you take off wine, this is what they call a long-tailed keyword. And we're going to turn it into a shorter-tailed keyword. If you Google video business marketing expert, look at that, number 1, number 2. This one's got 8 million results on video. Now watch this. Click over here, 301 million results. Most people will never rank that high ever. I'm number 1 for video business marketing expert on Google, and I'm also number 2. Now, I don't rank on this. I'm going to make this a shorter tailed one, and we'll go to, watch this, business marketing expert. Going to have even more searches than the last one, 781 million. Of course, I'm not on the front page here, but look at this. Number 1, number 2, and number 3 on business marketing expert. Now, if you want your business on the front page of YouTube, or you want your business on the front page of the Google 3-pack like this right here, you don't pay a dime until I get you there. If you're interested, you can call me at 319-283-1495. My name's Gilbert Brandt. Thank you. Goodbye.